Kia ora, I'm Emma Dent and welcome back to the latest episode of the Video Weekly Diary series. As usual, we'll kick things off with our notable events of the week. TrueScreen Limited announced their intention to raise approximately $2 million via a share purchase plan. This share purchase plan will allow eligible shareholders to apply for up to $50,000 worth of new shares at 5 cents per share. The funds raised from the SPP will be applied towards growing and increasing TrueScreen's presence in the Chinese market, developing other global markets with a focus on Vietnam, Russia and India, and providing additional working capital. Investor Property Limited, or IPL, is commencing a capital raise of up to $100 million, comprising of a $85 million underwritten placement and a share purchase plan for up to $15 million, with the ability to accept additional applications at IPL's discretion of a further $5 million. The proceeds will be used to provide funding flexibility to continue investors' strategy to grow its portfolio, secure investment opportunities, and continue its objective of maximising distributions and total returns. QEX Logistics Limited also announced the opening of a $3 million SPP this morning. Shareholders can apply for up to $50,000 worth of shares, with funds being used for supporting Australian and Chinese business growth and expansion, developing new logistics opportunities in other countries, diversifying QEX's product and services range, acquisition opportunities, and additional working capital. Next up is our weekly recap. The total value traded for the week was $851 million, with 68% of that value traded on market and a trade count of 238,000. The S&P NZX 50 rose 0.28%, closing the week at 10,449. In global markets, the S&P 500 fell 0.2% and the ASX 200 rose 0.06%. Further information on the weekly recap, including the value and volume of the NZX top 10 securities, can be found in the weekly diary. And finally, our week ahead. This week AMP is holding their AGM and the Global Dairy Trade Auction is being held on Tuesday. Also keep an eye out for the NZX shareholder metrics, which are due later this week. Thank you for watching the weekly diary video. Don't forget to check out the weekly diary and the links below for more information. Haere rā.